Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap, and in today's video we are going to design a landing page with almost no coding using the power of AI. So in this video we are going to use Lovable platform, and we already have purchased their paid subscription, and we will use this to develop a landing page. So without any delay, let's start. Okay, so first of all, I have already logged in into my account in lovable.dev, and maybe you can use their free version. And so let's start building that. Building websites, web apps, or maybe Android apps using AI, the actual power is in your prompts. The more detailed, the more context you will provide, the more better results you will get. So for instance, if you will say like design a barbershop website, obviously this is a very general prompt. But if you will describe your prompt like design a barbershop website in which there will be 10 sections, or maybe 10 or maybe 5 sections. The first section will be a hero section with the video on the left side. Okay, so this is how we can go in detail. We can also provide which content we want to display in which section. Okay, so in this video let's assume we are going to create a website like book a home lab. Okay, so for instance we are going to create a medical website. So first of all, I will type here design a nav bar. On the left side there will be company logo. In the middle we should display 4 options: partners, contact us, services, or maybe collections. And on the right side you will display, let me zoom in a little bit, a book now button. The menu should be responsive on all screen sizes. Also you can use shared cn plus tailwind css plus react and to design this site. So here you can see that I have provided my tech stack, contacts, the menu items in our menu, and currently I have only shared the requirements for our nav bar. So let me press enter and let's see what happened. Okay, now you will see that it have take me to this window and it says here working. Okay, so now this is actually creating a nav bar. Okay, it have took some time. On the left side you can see that it have give us this response. Now let me click here. Here it is displaying error. Okay, you can see that it have created a very wonderful and beautiful nav bar. You can see that book now button, the nav bar selections we ask for it, and a logo section on the left side. And if I show you this on mobile devices, you can see that our menu is fully responsive. So that's great, and obviously this is time saving for developers. So now we are going to design our next section, which is hero section. I will again go back here and I will write here further, create a simple, clean and modern hero section. On the left side there would be a text, like I have given these text in backticks, so it will help this AI to understand better that what text it need to display on our website and what is my prompt. And second, we will display, also we will ask him and also display a sub description below this. So and then there will be 2 buttons, book now and for partners, and oh, I press F12 by mistake. So partners and book now. So I have also give these buttons in backticks. And on the right side there would be an image of a male person who is living in his house. The picture should be simple. Okay, so you can see that I have give this prompt, and let's see what it is going to do for us. Obviously this is our previous preview, and we can zoom out if you want to see this correctly. Okay, you can see that it have created our this hero section with this image, and let me call this, make that hero section image a little big. You can increase its size to 1.6x. Okay, there is an issue, but still you can see that it is increasing the hero section image size. Let me preview this. Okay, and yes, it have increased the size of our image, and now you can see that this is fully responsive. Okay, so obviously if you want further changes, you can ask that. Okay, next I'm gonna ask it to create next creates how it works section, and there would be a heading of how it works, and on the left side below that there would be 3 rows. Each row will contain an image, title and subtitle only, and to the title also display numbering, like in first row display 1 with title, and in the second row display 2, and vice versa. Okay, so let me again press enter and let it design our next how it works section. Okay, you can see that it have created this next section, but the mistake was in my prompt. I call him to create 3 rows, but I should call him 3 columns. Okay, so I have done a mistake. You should create 3 columns where of the items in how it works section, not 3 rows. The row will be 1 only. Okay, actually, so basically this was a mistake that happened by me in our prompt. I should write here 3 columns, and on each column we should write that. Okay, now you can see that it have created a 1 row, and now I should instruct him about the image. The image should be of full size because each column is of 33% now, so each image should have 33% image, 33% of width on desktop devices. Basically you need to give the width to image 100%. Currently images are small, so this is how you can edit your sections as well. Okay, display the section of 3 items in full width of screen, because now this is looking like this. Okay, so this is happened basically because of my prompt mistake. Maybe we can fix that later. Okay, but now let me ask him also create a FAQ, contact us, and footer section with dummy content. So let me press enter. So basically the purpose was to tell you that this is how you can create a prompt according to your specific section that you want, and you can also modify that, and obviously it will give you a blueprint maybe for your page. And if you are really a developer, then you can also do modification in the code, because if you will click here on the code section, you can see that this is also providing us the source code of this. Maybe this is basically a Tailwind CSS classes, and this is written in React. So basically let me go back here in our preview section. Okay friends, you can see that it have added a frequently asked section, contact us section, and obviously a very beautiful footer. So now let me go back and let me show you. This section is not good. Obviously we can redesign that later. Okay, so friends, let me just redesign this. Obviously I do not like this. Delete the how it works section from my website. Okay, so friends, obviously you can see that this Lovable have designed this landing page for us. Okay, so yes, I asked it to remove this how it works, but it was obviously not good. So you can also see that the review of Lovable, but still as a starter it is really helpful. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you, and obviously you can try another tools, like there are many AI tools who are helping developers to code faster, especially ChatGPT. And hit the like button if video was helpful, and finally thanks for watching.